Hi guys, welcome to my channel Zenith Institute where learning matters. So guys, if you are planning to give DELF examination this year and your choice of center is Chennai branch, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I am going to talk about the upcoming DELF examination dates, their registration process, their registration fee, and how you should register. This is all information I am going to give you in this video. But before starting that, I want to tell you that I made lots of videos for DELF speaking and writing examinations. So if you are giving examination, you can subscribe to my channel and go to the playlist of DELF A1, A2, DELF B1 and DELF B2. In those playlist you will get lots of videos, lots of letter writings and monologues. If you are looking for good book for your DELF exam preparation, then you can get the direct purchase link from this video's description. So let's start guys. Let me first open their website, Alliance Francaise de Madras. Here you go. This is their website. Let me click here and the site is open now. In that we have to go in the diplomas and certifications tab. In that you will go to section DELF and DALF. Here you can get the information about DELF and DALF examination. They give you the information, the full form and everything. And here are the list of examination they conduct, the levels of examination, the duration of the examination, and then here is the levels are there. And for example, for A1 level the examination duration is 1 hour 20 minutes. For B1 it is for A2 1 hour 40 minutes, for B1 1 hour 45 minutes, and for B2 it is 2 hours 30 minutes. So these are the exam duration and all. Below that they give you the information on what skills they are going to assess. So that is listening, speaking, reading and writing. And then here you can see that Alliance Francaise in India are among the 900 authorized examination centers for DELF DALF spread over 154 countries across the globe. So all the information are here. Then if you want to know diploma correspond to your level, they are giving you suggestions. So first take your teacher's advice. So my advice is like just go and check your level with the book, the sample papers. Then they give you the information about the refer to the tables, then refer to the papers available on website CIEP. So all these things are there. See here CIEP, this site is there where they upload the sample papers for examination. If you open this, you will see here like this. So this is their sample papers section website, and then the last option is this. And then here below that you can see Alliance Francaise de Madras offers two other version of DELF, that is DELF Juniors for kids and DELF Pro. So these are the things. And now DELF DALF 2021 examination. Let me open this fully. So yeah, you can open it here and then see here your DELF examination dates are 15 to 20th March. And then your registration starts from 27th January to 15th February. And then your DELF examination, they conduct DELF Junior in April, in the month of April. Then again DELF DALF TP and all. TP is to public, means for all, this examination for all. So this is the whole year program for DELF DALF examination, that is in March, June, September and December. If you are planning to give examination, you can schedule your calendar accordingly. And then here you will get the whole information. So we have to click here, and once you click here you will get the fee details. So here are the fee details for A1, A2, for AF student, that is Alliance Francaise student, their internal students, the fee is 4,500, and for non-AF student, that is non-Alliance Francaise students, the fee is 7,500 for A1 and A2 level, and for B1, B2 it is 9,000, and for C1, C2 it is 10,000 rupees. So this is your fee details, and these are your calendar. So if you are planning, plan accordingly. Okay, yeah, your registration dates are there. Then here your this registration end date starting from 27th January to 15th February. And now here registration, about your registration. So here is the registration thing. You have to download the registration form for March session, and then these are the things. Click here for downloading the rules and regulation page. So here I downloaded this. So you have to read it before carefully before applying for examination, before registration process, because they are very much strict about their rules and regulations. So read it carefully. Then you can go, you can print it and fill the and sign both the documents. You have to read these instructions basically, and then you if you are planning to give exam and you want to purchase the book, Reosir book they suggest you. So you can get the direct purchase link from my YouTube channel, YouTube video link. There you will get the book links, direct purchase link from Amazon. So these books, all books are available. And yeah, and results, if you give examination results, you can expect in within a month after you give the examination. So they declare the results after a month. And this is your exam results are there. If you gave examination in December or your last session, or whenever you give examination, you should check here. So this is the December examination results, and you have to check results by seeing your code. There is a code number and the levels are there. If your code is not there in this list, means you didn't clear the examination, and if it is there, that means you cleared the examination. They didn't disclose your score to anyone, so that you will get after getting your certificate only. If you have any other query regarding this, about anything about your DELF or DALF examination, you can write in the comment box. I'll definitely help you out. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, do share with your friends and learning partners. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe to it, because in coming days I'm going to make more videos on DELF examination. So those videos will be really helpful for you. Thank you guys. Thank you so much.